In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make good trades in Monopoly Go. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to make good trades in the game is to sign up, and in here you will be able to go into your albums and find all the collections that you still need stickers or cards for. As you might be aware, if you tap on any cards or stickers that you have multiples or duplicates of, you will be able to send them to friends. Because of this, a lot of communities related to trading these stickers or cards have been developed. As long as you can add someone who is in need of one of your duplicate cards and they are willing to give you back something else that you need, you will be able to make trades in Monopoly Go. So the best way for you to make good trades in Monopoly Go is to meet new people who are willing to trade these cards. As you can see, officially the one that they support is the sticker trading group on Facebook. So you can tap this option and you will be redirected to the Facebook app where you can sign in and join the Monopoly Go trading group. In there, like I said, you can offer any duplicates that you have and they will be able to trade back any duplicates that they have and you need. As long as you send these duplicates to anyone who is on your friends list and the person you added sends them back, you will be able to complete these albums and make good trades in Monopoly Go. Completing these stickers will grant you a lot of net worth benefits and also the ability to get dice and custom special tokens. As you can see, these are periodical, so there is only a limited time for you to complete this. So that's why it's very important that you join the group as soon as possible and you start making good trades. Of course, you can also get these sticker packs from other activities in game, either paid or free. But if you wish to make good trades in Monopoly Go, make sure that you join the group and you talk to whoever you can inside of the Facebook sticker trading group. I hope I was able to help you on how to make good trades in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.